San Diego homeowners, sellers, and buyers. This market is on fire. Home prices are on the rise again, and inventory is near record lows. I'm Woody Henderson, and this is the May 2023 Housing Market Update. Let's jump right into the numbers. At the end of April, the median home price was $814,000. Although that was slightly lower than where we were last year, as of just yesterday, the median home price is up to $830,000, up $16,000 in just 18 days since the beginning of the month. Market time is coming down to 30 days. Number of new listings is lower this month than the previous month at 2213. Months of supply went up slightly, so we're seeing a little more come on the market. And the number of sales is down to 2005. That's down 36.6% from the same time last year. Prices are definitely on the rise, and they're rising pretty quickly right now. Take a closer look at the median sales price. As you can see, in February of 2023, the median home price was $755. That was up from where we were in January, but at the end of April, up to $814. And as I shared with you earlier, now up to $830,000. If you look back to July of last year, you'll see where we peaked at $855. We may be in record territory here within the next month or two at the rate of price increase that we're experiencing in this market. So take a look at what's going on in the national level. I wanted to share this with you. Just 5 months ago, prices were declining on a seasonally adjusted month-over-month basis in 92% of all major U.S. markets, of which San Diego is one. Fast forward to March, and the situation has done a literal 180, with prices now rising in 92% of markets from February. This is Andy Walden, the Vice President of Research at Black Knight, a real estate resource. Take a look at inventory. I've been sharing this with you for a while. We've seen historically low inventory, and this shows active listings. It's incredibly low. We're at 2897 at the end of last month. However, as of yesterday, 2,205 active listings on the market, where we would typically see somewhere between 12,000 and 14,000 at this time of year. I've shared this slide with you before. Are we in a buyer's or seller's market based on months of inventory for sale? And we can see from the graph that we are definitely in a seller's market. And here in San Diego, this graph was built for the national level, but here in San Diego with a month's worth of inventory, we're definitely in a strong seller's market. I've shared this slide with you for the past several months because it helps to gauge where interest rates are and where can we expect to see buyer demand. Last month, when I reported this, we were about a half a point lower across the board. VA was in the mid fives, FHA and jumbos were under 6%, but you can see that everything has come up. And despite the fact that we're going into a good buyer demand category based on this slide, what we're actually seeing in the field is very strong buyer demand, despite what we're seeing going on with interest rates. This is a new slide, Market Action Index here in San Diego, and this answers the question, how is the market? You can see that we're very much to your right here, very strong seller's market and a stronger seller's market this month than the previous month. And the market, I love this thought, the market continues to get hotter, more sales demand and fewer homes listed have contributed to a relatively long run of increasing prices. Current supply and demand levels show no sign of prices changing from their current trend, which is definitely upward. This is from Altos Research Incorporated. So what are we seeing in the field? Multiple offer situations, lower market times, and buyers with pent-up demand. The market is heated. So if you're thinking about making a move, now may be a very good time to have a conversation with an awesome team of agents. And if you're thinking about buying, You want to be successful in this very competitive market. You'll want to be aware of our 9-step process that almost guarantees that our clients' offers get accepted in this very competitive market space. If there's anything we can do for you, we are always here for you. And until next month, wishing you all the best.